Hi guys, what's up? This is Forum and welcome back to my channel. Well, for those of you who don't know me, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, travel and a lot more things. And in today's video, I'm going to be making a vision board for 2021. Last year, I planned to make one, but then I started procrastinating and then I could not make one because then March came, then lockdown happened and everything happened, so there was no hope. But this year I thought I want to bring my life back on track, and for that I think the first step that I need to take is make myself vision board and be clear of things I want, especially for this year. If you guys remember, in 2019, if I'm not wrong, I made a video of bucket list 2019, which is still on my channel. And you know, once I put that video out with you guys on my YouTube, I made sure I accomplish most of the things from that list, and I did like a lot of things. I think maybe 70 to 75% of the things that I mentioned in that list, I did accomplish those things, which is why I think I really need to put it out there. And so I'm gonna make a vision board today, and I'm gonna show everything with you guys so you can make a vision board for yourself too. So let's start. In case you guys don't know what a vision board is, it's basically a visual representation of how you want your life to be. You can make a vision board for your entire life, like how your dream life is supposed to be, or you can make one like how I am making, which is a yearly vision board sort of thing. Honestly, this is also my first time that I am making a vision board, with images and quotes and everything. So I don't know to what extent does it work, but I have asked and spoken to a lot of people who do make vision boards, and I have seen it online as well that it does get through. Anyway, the first step to make a vision board is to be in a really happy and positive mood. You cannot make a vision board if your mood is crappy or if you have like a negative vibe around you. You really need to be in the right headspace before you even start listing down your things. I used to like take my time out in the day when I feel I am in a good mood. Probably in the morning time, because that's when I feel like I have good energy around me. I am in a great mood in the morning. I play like loud music and then I come back into energy, and so that's what I do to make my mood better. And once my mood is better, I started listing down things. I started listing down questions. Now I'm gonna show what sort of questions did I list down. You can have more questions if you want, but these are my questions if you need reference just to start, and I'm gonna show you that. Now here are my questions. What is my dream career? What does my dream house look like? What hobbies I want to practice or master in? What vacations do I want? And words or phrases that I want to stick this year. So these are the 5 questions that I asked for myself. I don't want to list down my entire dream life in one particular year. I do not want that pressure on just 2021. So I'm going to take it slow. Once the questions are ready, you need to be in a very clear mind of answering them. Example, like in this question, what hobbies I want to practice or master in. I want to play ukulele fluently. I want to learn Spanish, and I want to adapt a sports activity, maybe badminton or swimming. I have a uke since 1.5 years, but I haven't learned to play it that well. I leave that habit. So that is why I've kept this one thing, that this year I'm going to practice my uke very well, and I'm going to play. By the end of the year, I will make sure I play it really fluently. Even with Spanish, I started learning Spanish back in 2019, because I wanted to learn a new language, and I had this thing that I want to learn Spanish. I started and then I stopped again. Like last year, I didn't do anything, and then I just stopped learning. And even with the sports activity, again, this goes back to 2019. I feel like 2020 we have skipped entire year doing just nothing. But in 2019, I wanted to learn swimming. Unfortunately, I did not. So this year, I do want to learn swimming like अच्छे से. So now once your questions and answers for those things are ready, you need to find images that would represent those answers. So for example, when I say swimming, I need to find like a girl swimming in the ocean. If I want to swim in the ocean, when I look at that image, I should be able to recall that, okay, this is what my thing is like I want to swim, so मतलब ये image देख के मुझे swimming ही आना चाहिए and not something else. Initially, you need to see where you're gonna place this. Now for me, I have a planner. I have this planner that I use on regular basis. This planner is from Carousel India, if anyone wants to know. And I've been using this since past 2 months. And this one in particular has this first page which says visualize your ideal life. I use this on an everyday basis, so I think this is where I'm gonna put my vision board. Like I'm gonna stick all my images over here. Obviously, your vision board has to be put at places where you can look it on an everyday basis. This is where I'm gonna see on everyday basis. So I thought मेरे planner में ही मैं करूँ तो it's better. You can have like a cardboard cut and stick images in that. So I'm gonna go on Pinterest and I'm gonna find visual images of the things. And once I do that, I'm gonna go log in to my Canva. Now Canva is a really easy way to set this entire mood board. This would be like a digital mood board that where you're setting. Now when I log into Canva, I'm gonna put the custom size in. My book size is 19 into 13. Okay? So I'm gonna put that custom size in, and then I'm gonna take, because I have 2 pages here, I want like 2 different pages. I'm not taking entirely to 2 different pages. It's just better when you go to print it out. So now I'm gonna place all the images of things I want. So once you have your images placed on how you want your board to be look like the vision board to look like, you just have to go to the printer and tell him that this is the size that you want. Mine is like 19 into 13. I'm gonna tell it I have to stick on a book and just give me that print. So I have the print ready. So this is what the print looks like. This is my ideal vision board for 2021. Now comes the fun part. You have to cut all these images and then you just have to stick them into your cardboard or a book or wherever you're sticking them, and just match it with the one that you made on Canva. Refer to that and ek karke start sticking, and that is all you need. Now again, when you do that, again make sure you are in a very positive headspace, in basically a very good mood, because you cannot be like sad and do this. You cannot be like, okay, I'm having a crappy day and still I'm gonna do this just for the sake of doing. You really need to visualize this and you really need to believe into this, that okay, this is definitely I want. This is how my life is going to look when you are doing this activity. Be sure, be confident ki I'm gonna get this thing. Like, don't be ki, okay, how am I gonna achieve? Don't ask questions. You just have to be like, yes, I am gonna get this. I just have to stick this thing and I have to visually imagine. I have to just start imagining. That is how I believe this vision board of yours will get true. So now I'm gonna get into the process of cutting these small images, and then we're gonna stick them in my books. So let's get started. I'm gonna play some really nice, loud, rocky, electronic, fun music. Let's do
Alexa,
this.
play Daft Punk.
Yeah, oh my god.
Instant Crush, featuring Julian Casablancas by Daft Punk from Spotify.
Sure.